Hi, hello and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's discuss about cash rounding in Odoo 14 community. So cash rounding is a process used in calculation when money in the low denomination is involved in a transaction. Sometimes transactions become impractical when the denomination is very low. So this could be either due to the unavailability of the coins to transact the exact amount. So in such cases, every business firm depends on cash rounding. For example, in India, the lowest denomination now is rupees 1. So when an amount of 50 paise or 100 paise are involved in a transaction, it has to be rounded. So this feature is really helpful. So here we have invoicing. If you install invoicing module, you can see that option cash rounding in configuration settings. So first we have to enable that option, enable that feature in settings. So here you can see rounding method can be set, and also we can enable cash rounding. So you can see the cash rounding option. So this feature helps the vendor to round off the cost of any request when a cash installment is made. So you can round the total amount of bill to the next available denomination of currency. So here first we have to set the rounding method for our company, that is how total tax amount is computed in orders and invoices. So we can round the amount per line, or we can round globally. So the first one is recommended. So this method, that is the round per line, is used if the prices are tax included. So the round per line method helps the user to calculate sum of line subtotals as equal to total with taxes. And here you can see it is already enabled, that is cash rounding option, to define smallest coinage of currency used to pay by cash. Okay, so directly from here we can configure the rounding, or we can come under configuration and see that option under management. You can see here. Okay, so if you open, you can find option to create new cash rounding. So here we can provide the name of cash rounding. Okay, rounding 0.10. Okay, 0.10. And here we can see the point of sale only supports add a rounding line, rounding strategy. So here we can see different strategies available. So first we have to set a rounding precision. So this indicates the number of digits that are used to express that value. So while using this method, we consider the digits on the left and right of any decimal point. Okay. Then we have rounding strategy. For this, you can see two options: modify tax amount and add a rounding line. So in the case of modify tax amount, this can be done by adding the rounding to the tax. You have to select the highest tax amount. Okay, so by adjusting tax, this rounding will be applied, and we can see another option, adding a round line. So that is rounding can be added to a new line. Then we can record, that is rounding will be recorded in accounts. That is, we have to record the profit and loss as separate. So here we can see profit account, loss account. So these values set values are company specific. Then we can see a field that is to set the rounding method. So Odoo offers three types of rounding methods. One is up, then down, and half up. So in the case of up, the value rounds towards a plus infinity based on the rounding precision, and in the case of down, automatically rounds towards minus infinity based on the rounding precision on choosing down. And we have half up. So this method is used in case of fractional values, that is, if the fractional part of a value is greater than or equal to 0.5. So the rounding will be done towards plus infinity. On the other hand, if the fraction part is less than 0.5, then rounding half towards minus infinity in this case. Okay, so let me change the rounding precision as 0.10. And first let's take the case of modify tax amount. So in this case we don't have option to set the profit or loss account. So we are adjusting by modifying the tax amount, and here we can see the rounding method. So let me set it as up and save it. So after saving the rounding, cash rounding, let's create an invoice. By selecting customer, delivery address, payment reference, invoice date, due date. Here we can select invoice lines. Okay, before that, here we can find cash rounding method option under other information. So here we can select the cash rounding method that we have just created, rounding 0.10, and after that if I add invoice line, that is product line, here you'll be able to see that this tax amount can be modified by adding rounding to the tax. So here if I change the price, according to that modification will be done on tax amount. So if we keep on changing, as you can see, the tax amount will be adjusted according to that. So that's about the first case. Now let me change the rounding 0.10. It's a rounding strategy to add a round line, and you can see rounding method set is up. So after saving this, okay, you can see an additional line is added here, and you can see the label is rounding 0.10. So you can see the quantity, then the price used to add rounding. So in this case, as we have chosen the rounding method as up, the value is rounded towards plus infinity based on rounding precision. So you can see 0.07 is added, and when you change it to 5 or 4, you can see again it is rounded to plus infinity, and you can see the change in price amount, and you can see the total amount is changed. And again if I change the cash rounding method, it's rounding method to down, and if I save it, so after that is after changing the rounding method to down, you can see this pricing, the line is added by adding negative, because automatically rounding is done towards minus infinity. Okay, then if you change this rounding method to half up, and after saving it, okay, let me remove the tax. Here you can see the fractional part is equal to 0.05. So the rounding will be done towards plus infinity. So you can see the rounding is done. It is 750.10. Now if I change this to greater than 0.05, like 0.07, then also you can see the value, that is rounding this is done towards plus infinity. Now if I change this fraction part to 0.04, then you can see the rounding is done towards minus infinity. This is because the fraction part is less than 0.05. So this is how the third rounding method works, that is half up. So that's all about cash rounding in Odoo 14 community.